going to talk to you about the Advanced Spectrum 12H. It's an upright vac, single motor, H for hotel and hospitality, but we do find it in other applications besides hotels. I'm going to just point out some of the features here. The cord, for a lot of places, this is a big feature. The cord is a quick disconnect, so when it's time to replace the cord, no tools are required. This is a big issue for a lot of properties that have to maintain cords. And to be able to take that cord off in about 20 seconds and to be able to replace it without any tools or any wiring is a huge plus to keep vacuums safe and powered up and ready to go. On the bottom of the machine, we got a leading edge of a stainless steel material here on the leading edge of the vac shoe. The roller brush comes out quite simple without the use of tools, easy to maintain, clean, and or replace. And of course it pops right back in, just like that. I'd like to follow the flow of the dirt, which on this unit, once it goes right past the roller brush, goes right up this hose and goes right up into the bag. The first place that dirt goes is into the bag. Now, between here and there, there's a couple of key things you need to know about this machine. For obstructions and clogs, which can happen on any vacuum, we have an easy access. This comes right out and it gives us a straight shot to the vac chamber there where the roller brush is, and we can get the parts that are clogging the obstruction out easily. This top hose also comes right out, which can also be another clog point, and now you have the ability to get this with a straight shot and get any obstruction out of there. By the way, behind that wand you'll see we have onboard storage of some tools and some spare bags. So it comes with a nice little flexible crevice tool and an upholstery tool. And these tools can be put on the end of the wand or on the end of the hose, just like that. So we'll pop that back in place. We'll take a look at the bag here. The bag drops and comes out just like that. The door will not close unless there's a bag in it, which is good. It protects the motor and debris going in here in case somebody accidentally tries to use it bagless. So the bag slides right back in like that and locks up. Next, after it goes through the bag, we've got a replaceable electrostatic microfilter. It says right there, replace with every 5 bags. So when you buy a 10-pack of bags, you get 2 of those filters in there. We'll go ahead and put the door back on. We'll turn it around. The air then will go through the vac motor, and the exhaust air comes out through this HEPA filter. And it says right here, it's a serialized part and actually has certified HEPA right on it. So that's something that can be cleaned out and replaced easily as needed, depending upon the level of cleaning you're doing. Lastly, you'll see there I just grabbed it by the handle, makes it very ergonomic for lifting and transporting the vacuum. It's also a great place to store the cord, either there or even back here. The handle is also a 2-position handle, so you can adjust it for 2 different heights. And of course, one of the great features of this machine is that it lays completely flat, so just under 7 inches. It can get under fixtures and furniture, and the brush height adjustment is right here for various height pile carpet. Important to note here that the on-off switch is on the unit, not in the handle. So the handle has no extra wiring or switches that are exposed. The switch is on the machine. And there's also a bag full / clog indicator light on the dash as well that glows red if there's any obstruction. There is also clutch protection on this roller bar. So if something got caught in there, like a big chunk of carpet or a rag, it would stop and disengage. So you wouldn't burn up the belt. You could take out the obstruction, turn the vacuum back on, and it re-engages so you don't have to damage the belt. Nice gray non-marking wheels, and the center wheel is down when it's in the upright position to keep the brush off the surface in storage. When you lower the vacuum, the vac head drops down. So that's just a few of the bullet points on the Advanced Spectrum 12. This is the Spectrum 12H. This is also available in a 2-motor version, the Spectrum 15D.